Hello, my name is Katie Mazzy, and I work for the Utah Higher Education Assistance Authority, or UHEA. UHEA is part of the Utah System of Higher Education, and our mission is to help Utah families prepare and pay for college. As part of that mission, we developed the website CompleteScholarships.org. Complete Scholarships is a free website that matches Utah students to relevant local scholarship opportunities based on their demographics and interests. Complete Scholarships can push a custom list of Utah-specific scholarships directly to your account based on what school you attend, your grade level, your intended major, and more. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make your free Complete Scholarships account. First, visit CompleteScholarships.org. This page provides a list of many Utah-specific scholarship opportunities, and our team updates this list monthly so you know the information is accurate. If you choose any of the login button options on this page, you can create your free Complete Scholarships account. Having a Complete Scholarships account will match you to relevant state and local scholarship opportunities offered by Complete Scholarships community partners, and you can apply for those scholarships right in your account. If this is your first time using the website, choose Create Account. Enter your preferred email address. If you're a current high school student, we recommend using your permanent personal email address so that you can continue to use your Complete Scholarships account after you graduated high school. Then choose your username and create a password. Enter your first and last name as well as your date of birth. Only students age 13 or over can use CompleteScholarships.org. We recommend skipping the student ID portion, but we do recommend listing a good phone number for account management. We ask that you read the privacy policy. Your privacy is very important to us, and we abide by all applicable data protection laws. Once you've read the privacy policy, if you accept, check this box, and then you can create your account. Thank you for joining us for a brief overview of the Complete Scholarship system. If you have any questions about Complete Scholarships, feel free to email us at outreach@utahsbr.edu or give our team a call at 801-321-7245.